Hi guys, if you're looking for a way to get a genuinely large screen experience without permanently installing a huge television or projection screen, the Epson Duet Ultra portable projection screen with its 80-inch widescreen format is worth taking a look at. The idea behind this screen is pretty straightforward. Instead of committing an entire wall to a permanent installation, you get a large projection surface that can be used when you need it and stored away afterward. That makes it a practical option for people who want a flexible home theater or presentation setup. At 80 inches, the screen gives your projector plenty of room to create an immersive image. Movies can feel more cinematic, gaming can become more engaging, sports can be more exciting, and even everyday YouTube content can feel completely different when you're watching it on a much larger display. The portable design is one of the most useful aspects. Not everyone has a dedicated theater room, and many people don't want a screen permanently mounted on their wall. With a portable option, you can create your setup in a living room, bedroom, office, classroom, or another suitable space depending on your needs. The widescreen format also fits naturally with modern content. Movies, streaming services, online videos, and many games are designed around wide displays, so the format can provide a more natural viewing experience when paired with a compatible projector. Of course, the screen itself is only part of the equation. Your projector still plays a major role in determining the final image. Resolution, brightness, focus, placement, room lighting, and viewing distance can all affect what you see. But when you pair a capable projector with an appropriate projection surface, the result can feel much more polished than simply projecting onto a random wall. Another advantage is the freedom to change your setup. You aren't locked into one room or one permanent configuration. You can enjoy a movie in one location, move the setup when necessary, and store the screen when you want your room to return to normal. That flexibility makes this type of screen interesting for a wide range of users. Home theater enthusiasts can use it for movies and streaming. Gamers can create a larger gaming environment. Professionals can use a large projection area for presentations, while educators can use it for classroom content. The 80-inch size also offers a good balance between a genuinely large viewing area and practical everyday use. It gives you that big screen feeling without requiring the commitment of a permanently installed theater system. If you want to buy the Epson Duet Ultra portable projection screen, 80-inch widescreen, please visit the link provided in the description. Overall, the Epson Duet is designed around flexibility, portability, and a large viewing experience. If you want to turn an ordinary room into a big screen environment without permanently changing the space, this projector screen is an interesting option to consider.